Hello, I'm Angelo, and I want to welcome you to Algebra 1. I will give you some important information about the layout of this course and how to get started. Algebra is so much fun. It is like a strategic game, except instead of moving players, finding secret codes, or jumping over challenging obstacles, you use numbers, variables, letters, and symbols to solve problems. Algebra 1 is the foundational math course for all other math courses and most science courses. In addition, the SAT, ACT, and PSAT measure algebra skills. Do you know what this means? This means we have to learn the skills that will be taught in this very course to be successful. Here are a few things to keep in mind as you start this course. This course is divided into 10 modules and 2 segments. Each segment contains 5 modules. Most modules contain a real-world application. This is the fun part. Make sure you know how to navigate your way through the course. Read each lesson page, work the practice problems. This is how you really learn the strategies to the game of algebra, and stay on schedule. We'll talk about each part in more detail now. When you arrive at a lesson page, you will see a series of tabs at the top of the page, similar to this. Learn tab. Read through the Learn content and examples very carefully, taking notes where needed. Take advantage of the tools offered in most lessons, for they provide a very large bank of practice problems. Practice tab. Practice makes perfect. Work out each of the practice problems provided in your notebook and use the Check Answers link to check your work and solutions. This tab is one of the most important parts of this course. It is here that you will determine if you have mastered the content presented in the lesson. Assessment tab. Here you will find directions regarding the assessment that accompanies the lesson. When you are ready to submit the assessment, click on the Assessment button in the navigation bar on the left side of the screen. Some assessments are computer-graded. Some are teacher-graded, where you may need to type in your work or attach a file, and others are a mix of the two. Honors tab. If present, this page contains additional lesson information required for students who are seeking an honors credit in this course. Students not seeking an honors credit may skip this tab. You can navigate from page to page within each tab using the back and next buttons. You can navigate to a specific page using the menu button. The Home button returns you to the Algebra 1 homepage where all modules and lessons are listed. Module checklist. What you see below is the module checklist, located at the top of each module pull-down menu. This is a list of all the activities you must complete in a module. The checklist allows you to keep track of your progress and the points you earn. Check out the Gradebook button in the navigation bar on the left for assessment grades and points earned. Scroll to the bottom of the gradebook to see your overall percentage in the segment based on completed assessments. Course information. Information specific to your class and school is provided in the Course Information area. The Course Information area is accessed from the navigation bar on the left side of the screen. Please access this area of the course now to ensure that you are aware of all your school and class policies. Be sure to visit the section that describes your pace for working on this course. While you are there, print a copy of your pace chart. You will also want to read the section describing the honors path if you are interested in taking that route. Take some time now to look around the course information area and print your pace chart. Fill in your specific start date and the due date for each week's worth of work. Falling behind pace is easy, but getting back on pace is incredibly difficult. Stay on pace from the beginning to achieve successful and efficient completion of the course. Once you've read through the course information area, return here so you may move on to the practice tab.
Numbers are everywhere. You use numbers all day long. Maybe you woke up to some numbers this morning. Or maybe some numbers kept you in bed. Did you shop for clothes recently? Some numbers are bigger than you want them to be.